Welcome to this new episode, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add new contacts to WhatsApp on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and you want to add fresh contact or new contact to your iPhone, the steps is quite easy. So all you need to do is open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone and then make sure you click on chat. Once you hit the chat button, click on the plus icon at the top right, then click on new contacts here. Then once you're on this page, select the country right in front of phone and then type the phone number. So once you type in the WhatsApp number, WhatsApp will confirm whether this number is available or not. Once the number is available, just go ahead and hit the save button. And once you hit the save button, the contact will be added to your WhatsApp. And once you add it to your WhatsApp, hit the save button, then you see the contact, then click on this to close. Now come back to chat again and click on this plus button, then locate the newly added WhatsApp contact on your iPhone and then click on it. Once you click on it, then you should see here, and you'll be able to live chat with this particular WhatsApp contact. So this is how to add new contacts to WhatsApp. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.